Welcome to Localize. In this video, we'll show you how you can preview and place an order for human translations directly from the Manage Phrases page. You can use all of the powerful filtering capabilities available on the Manage Phrases page, allowing you to build a custom list of phrases that you'd like to get translated. While on the Manage Phrases page, you can filter and select the phrases that you'd like to have translated by a human. Let's say we want to translate high priority phrases that were machine translated. We select High for the page priority. Then we select No Human Translation from the Translated by options. Now that our list is filtered to our liking, we select all phrases on the page. Next, we select the Preview Order button. In the Preview Phrases Order panel, we can see the number of phrases, words, and characters in the list of chosen phrases. Select the desired translation method. Then select the desired languages. You'll see a preview of the order showing the price for each selected language along with the total for the order. Make any changes if necessary. When ready, select Continue to Orders. You will be brought to the Place Phrases Order page where you can review your order. If all looks good, you can select the Place Order button and your order will be sent to the chosen human translation provider. Using the Preview Order feature from the Manage Phrases page allows you to quickly fine-tune the selection of phrases that you would like to have translated by a human.